Can you believe we're 1 week into December already? This is day 7 of our Advent. All right, let's get started. Simply Stated Designs, Christmas Advent 25. We're looking for the day 7 surprise. There we go. Oh, I think day 8 is going to be a project. I know, I'm not supposed to look. Ignore that I even said that. All right, day 7. Let me get you down there, seeing as it's a smaller package. All right. I love that ornament. Okay, let's see what we got. Well, number 1, I do love this mashup as well. Very pretty. 2 of my favorite papers so far. Oh my gosh. You guys know how much I love the little aminals. Okay. Why is it when you see some cute little aminal, your voice goes back to 5 years old? Okay. Oh my gosh. Don't you just want to take this guy and hug him? Oh, he's so sweet. Little basket of Christmas cheer delivering. Oh, look at this little guy sitting on the Christmas ornament. And even the cute little cheeks. I love these. Love them. He looks so cute. Oh, these faces. They just kill me. He has a little, like, Cheshire grin, like he's been up to something. He stole your cup of tea. Aww. And this little guy is so sweet, bringing you a candy cane. Oh, my gosh. Just the sweetest little babies. Oh, we saw him on our day 4 card. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. This little guy has the cutest little grin on his face. Oh. She just tied up the present. She's so excited to give it to you. Oh my goodness. Such a proud little mouse. He brought a little ornament gift. Oh, this little one's so sweet. This is the baby of the family. For sure. I am in awe of how many different, there hasn't been a repeat here yet. Like so many different little mice. Oh, I can't wait to put him on a card for Christmas. Oh, so sweet. Aw. And this little one is like, I just sang in the choir. So cute. What an awesome day. I'm so incredibly impressed. I will definitely have to go and purchase multiple more of these little sweeties off of Chantel's site, simplystateddesign.ca. All right, everyone, that's day 7, and I will be right back here with day 8 tomorrow. I do want to let you know that I am going in for surgery on my right hand, and of course, as you've seen, I am right-handed. So there might be a little lull in between day 7 and the rest, but I will definitely, as soon as my hand allows me, get back to filming and projecting and visiting with you. All right, everybody, have an incredibly crafty day. La, 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 la.